Hey guys, it's Adrienne, and today I want to share with you a very simple way you can put $100 in your pocket starting today. The name of this opportunity is called List Infinity, and the object of this business is to build an email list fast while adding $100 per referral into your bank account at the same time from either PayPal or Stripe. Step 1, create a free account. This can be done by clicking the recommended opportunity in the description. Step 2, choose a capture page to build an email list. The capture pages include an email follow-up series that will automatically keep in touch with all leads that you generate, while the training teaches you how to build an email list. Step 3, go through the members area to either advertise your capture page for free or choose one of the low-cost advertising solutions inside the platform. And Step 4, upgrade so you can start receiving those $100 payments over and over again. The cost to upgrade is a one-time payment of $100 plus a $25 admin fee. There are no monthly fees and no annual fees with this platform. So if you want a simple way to pick up $100 by spending just 1 to 2 hours of work per day, check out the link in the description and get started.